You all to the lecture number 4 of unit number 4 for example on power series method. So for third example is find the series solution of d2y by dx square minus x into dy by dx plus x square into y is equal to 0. We are going to study all these examples over the ordinary point x is equal to 0, or you can check here p0 of x is coefficient of d2y by dx square. So what is p0 of x is here? It is equal to 1. If we substitute p0 of 0, it is equal to 1, which is not equal to 0. Not equal to 0 represent x is equal to 0 is ordinary point. Ordinary point. Now to find out solution of this by using power series method, consider solution as y is equal to summation k is equal to 0 to infinity a k x to the power k. Now we want dy by dx as well as d2y by dx square. So dy by dx it is equal to summation k is equal to 1 to infinity k multiplied by ak x to the power k minus 1, and d2y by dx square it is equal to k summation k is equal to 2 to infinity k multiplied by k minus 1 ak x to the power k minus 2. Now substituting all the values in given differential equation, the differential equation become d2y by dx square is first term. So summation k is equal to 2 to infinity k multiplied by k minus 1 ak x to the power k minus 2 minus x times dy by dx. So summation k is equal to 1 to infinity k multiplied by ak x to the power k minus 1. Next plus x square multiplied by y. So summation k is equal to 0 to infinity ak x to the power k, and this is equal to 0. Now simplify it further. Summation k is equal to 2 to infinity k multiplied by k minus 1 ak x to the power k minus 2. I am keeping this term as it is. Then multiply this second term by x. So x multiplied by x to the power k minus 1, it is summation k is equal to 1 to infinity k into ak x to the power k plus x square into x to the power k minus 1. So summation k is equal to 0 to infinity ak x to the power k plus 2, and this is equal to 0. Now this is ak x to the power k minus 2. Here k minus 2, here x to the power k, and here x to the power k plus 2. First we are focusing on powers of x. So replace this k by k. Replace this k by m plus 2 in first term. Then replace k by m in second term, and in third term replace k by m minus 2. So all power become x to the power k. Here x to the power k means x to the power m. Now replace here x in first term k by m plus 2. So summation k by m plus 2 means m plus 2 is equal to 2 to infinity. M plus 2 multiplied by m plus 2 minus 1 is m plus 1. A of m plus 2 x to the power m plus 2 minus 2, it is x to the power m, minus summation k is equal to m. So m is equal to 1 to infinity m multiplied by am x to the power m, and third term is plus summation m minus 2 is equal to 0 to infinity a k. So it is a of m minus 2, and x to the power m minus 2 plus 2 is x to the power m. This is equal to 0. Now simplify it further. It is summation m is equal to 2 get cancelled on both sides. M is equal to 0 to infinity m plus 2 m plus 1 multiplied by am plus 2 x to the power m minus summation m is equal to 1 to infinity m multiplied by am x to the power m plus summation m is equal to m minus 2 is equal to 0 means m is equal to 2 to infinity a of m minus 2 multiplied by x to the power m, and this is equal to 0. Now see, all powers are x to the power m. Now we are going to focus over the summation. Summation start from m is equal to 0 in first term, second term m is equal to 1, and third term m is equal to 2. Means maximum is start from m is equal to 2. So we have to convert this m is equal to 0 and 1. It should be start from m is equal to 2. So put m is equal to 0 and 1 in. So here first is m is equal to 0. M is equal to 0, we want to convert it into m equal to 2. So put m is equal to 0 in first term. 0 plus 2, it is 2 multiplied by 1. M is equal to 0, so it is a2 x to the power 0 is 1 plus m is equal to 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 multiplied by 1 plus 1, 2. A of 3 x minus plus summation m is equal to 0 to infinity, m is equal to 2 to infinity, because 1 2 over third is 2 to infinity, m plus 2 m plus 1 a of m plus 2 x to the power m minus next term start from m is equal to 1. So put m is equal to 1 here. 1 multiplied by a1 x minus summation m is equal to 2 to infinity m into am x to the power m plus third summation start from m is equal to 2. So we keep it as it is. A of m minus 2 x to the power m is equal to 0. Now adding constant term, it is 2a2 plus 6a3 into x minus a1 into x plus summation m is equal to 2 to infinity m plus 2 m plus 1 a of m plus 2 x to the power m minus a1 into x minus summation m is equal to a1 into x already we have written, m is equal to 2 to infinity m into am x to the power m plus summation m is equal to 2 to infinity a of m minus 2, and this is equal to 0. Now taking coefficient of x to the power m term, then equate coefficient to 0. So 2a2 it is equal to 0. Then next is 6a3 minus a1 it is equal to 0. Means a1 is a3 is equal to a1 divided by 6. a3 is equal to a1 by 6 and a2 is equal to 0. Next, equate coefficient of x to the power m also. So a first coefficient is m plus 2, m plus 1, am plus 2. Second coefficient is minus m am, and third coefficient is plus am minus 2, and equate it is equal to 0. So this is am plus 2, am plus 2, it is equal to this minus m into am on right hand side become m am minus a of m minus 2 divided by m plus 2 multiplied by m plus 1. But summation start from 2. So we have to substitute m is equal to 2, then 3 and so on. So if m is equal to 2, it is a4. 2 multiplied by a2 minus this is 0 divided by m is equal to 2. So 4 multiplied by 2 plus 1 3. So this is a2, but a2 is equal to 0. So a4 becomes 0. M is equal to 3. M equal to 3. so it become a5, it is equal to 3a3 minus a1 divided by 3 plus 2 is 5, 3 plus 1 is 4. So 3a3, a3 value is a1 divided by 6. So 3 times a1 divided by 6 minus a1 divided by 20. So it is equal to, this is 2. So minus of a1 divided by 40. This is a5. a1 minus 2a1 is minus a1 divided by 2 divided by 20 is minus a1 by 40. Then put m is equal to 4. If we put m is equal to 4, we get a6, it is equal to 4 multiplied by a4 minus 4 minus 2. So it is a of 2 divided by 4 plus 2 is 6. 4 plus 1 is 5. a4 is equal to 0. So it is minus of a2 divided by 30. Minus a2 by 30. But what is a2? And a4 both are 0. So this value become 0. Then m is equal to 5. m equal to 5. a7 is equal to 5 multiplied by a5 minus 5. So it is 3 divided by 5 plus 2 is 7 and 5 plus 1 is 6. So it is a5. a5 is minus of 5 a1 divided by 40 and a3 is minus of a1 divided by 6 divided by 42. So it is equal to, so a7 is equal to minus of a1 divided by 144. Now put in series y is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3 x cube plus a4x to the power 4 plus a5x to the power 5 plus a6x to the power 6 plus a7x to the power 7 and so on. So this is a0 as it is, a0 plus a1x as it is. Then a2 is 0, a3 is plus a1x cube divided by 6. Then a4 is 0, a5 is minus of a1x to the power 5 divided by 40, a6 is 0, a7 is minus of a1 divided by 144 multiplied by x to the power 7 and so on. So this is equal to a0 plus a1 times x plus x cube by 6 minus x to the power 5 by 40 plus minus x to the power 7 by 144 and so on. So this is the series solution for the given differential equation. Thank you.